Okay, hello level 8. Inshallah, I will answer with you uh, directed number first lesson, exercise number 1 in your practice book, page number 7. Okay, so at the beginning, before going through these exercises, just remember for addition, if we have addition and we have the same sign for the two numbers, okay, then you have to do addition and keep the sign the same at the end for the result. For example, it's negative and negative, so the result also is negative. If it's positive and positive, make addition and the result is positive. Okay, what about if it's two different sign? One is negative and one is positive. So make subtraction and put the sign of the bigger one. Okay, let's take some examples here. Okay, we have negative 6 plus 2.7. So we will do subtraction because the first one is negative and second one is positive. Okay, so 6 minus 2.7, it's 3.3, and the bigger number is 6, so it's a negative, so the result also is negative. Number B, we have negative and negative, so it's the same sign. So what should I do? Yeah, add them. 6 plus 2.7, it will be 9.7, and put negative sign, so it's a negative. Next one, letter C, 16 and 2.7. 16 is positive and 2.7 is negative, so there are two different signs. So make subtraction. 16 minus 2.7, it's 13. Sorry, here this one is 8. Sorry, 8.7. 6 plus 2 is 8. So here it will be 13.3. Okay, if you subtract 16 minus 2.7, it's 13.3. And I will keep it positive because the bigger number here is positive. Next one, the same, but the bigger number is negative. So it will be negative 13.3. Okay, for subtraction, we said you can use this rule. Okay, this rule, keep, change. Keep the sign of the first number. After that, change the operation. After that, change the sign of the second number. Okay, for example, here, number A, it's 7 minus negative 5. So I will keep 7 the same. I will change the operation, and I will change also the minus 5 into, negative 5, I will change it into positive 5. So 7 plus 5 equal 12. So here it's a 12. All you can also, once you find two negative signs after each other like this, so make them positive. So 7 plus 5 equal 12. Next one, here negative, make it positive. So 7.1 plus 5.2 equal 12.3. Same idea here, negative, make it positive. So negative 7.1 plus 5.2. One is negative and the other one is positive. So make subtraction. 7.1 minus 5.2, it's 1.9. 1.9. And what about the sign? The greater or the bigger one is negative. So make the result is negative. Next one here, negative, make it positive. So one is negative and the other one is positive. So make difference, make subtraction. So 7.1 minus 5.2, it's 1.9, but the bigger here is positive, so I will leave it positive. Next one, number A, negative and positive, so I will do subtraction. 12.1 minus 8.4, it's 3.7. Okay, and of course it's positive. Okay, because the bigger one is positive. Number B, negative 8.4 minus 12.1. So minus, so make addition. 8.4 plus 12.1, it's 20.5, and keep the sign the same. Next one, 8.4 minus negative, so makes positive or plus. So 8.4 plus 12.1 equal, just to make addition, it's 20.5. Next one, here, make it positive. So negative 12.1 plus 8.4, two different signs, so make difference or subtraction. So 12.1 minus 8.4 equal 3.7, and put here minus because the bigger number is negative. So after that, there are 5 temperatures. We have here 5 temperatures, 5 values, and we need to find the mean. Okay, the rule for the mean equal, okay, sum of all values divided by number of the values. So here let's add them. It's 1.5 plus negative 3.5 plus negative 7 plus negative 10 plus negative 3 all over 5, all divided by 5. Why 5? Because look, we have here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 numbers. Okay, you can add it simply. Here I have negative 3 and negative 7, it's negative 10, another negative 10, so it's negative 20, another negative 3.5, so it's negative 23.5. Take from it positive 1.5, so it's negative 22 divided by 5. Or you can use your calculator. So I can say here 1.5 plus negative 3.5 plus negative 7 plus negative 10 plus negative 3, all divided by 5, the number of values. So it's negative 4.4. Negative 4.4. This is the mean value. Okay, for the next one, let's solve it here. We have n, this is 5a, n plus 2.3 equal negative 4.7. So actually here, what should I do? I have 2.3 and I need to get the value of n. So I need to cut this 2.3. It's plus 2.3, so make it minus 2.3. If you did it here, so the other side also make minus 2.3. So we will cut this. Okay, the remaining is n. So n equal, calculate this, negative 4.7 minus 2.3, the same sign, so we will do addition. You will get 7, of course, with the same sign, negative. Okay, after that 5b, the same idea. We have here 2n plus 6.8 equal negative 10.2. In the same way, I will make here negative 6.8 and here also negative or minus 6.8. So I will cut this. The remaining is 2n equal negative 10.2 minus 6.8, it's negative 17. Okay, now I need only n, not 2n. 2n equal negative 17. So what about n? I will divide here by 2 and here also by 2. So 1n equal negative 17 divided by 2 means negative 8.5. Okay. Here for the next one, 5c, it's n divided by 4 equal 2.7. If it's a division, cut it with multiplication. So I will multiply by 4 here and I will multiply by 4 here. So if it's addition, cut it with subtraction. If it's a division, cut it with multiplication. If it's a multiplication like this one, cut it with division. So with the opposite operation. So here, cut this. So n equal 2.7 multiplied by 4, you will get 10.8. Okay, and actually it was negative 2.7, not 2.7. Here it was negative, so the result also is negative. Let's go for the rest. This one is simple. So question number 6, negative 2 multiplies 3.4. First, for the sign, We said for multiplication, if the two signs are the same, multiplication and division of course, if two signs are the same, like positive and positive or negative and negative, then the result is positive. If they are different, like negative and positive or positive and negative, then the result is negative. So here, one negative and one positive, that means the result is negative. And 2 multiplied 3.4, it's 6.8. Number B, letter B. Negative and negative, that means the result is positive. Actually, no need to write positive. Okay, just write the number without any sign, that means it's positive. So 4.8 divided by 4, it will equal 1.2, positive 1.2. Next one, 3 multiplied 9.2, it will be 27.6. What about the sign? Positive, negative, positive, that means at the end it will be negative because they are two different signs. 14 divided by 4, if you divide it, you will get 3.5. But what about the sign? Positive divided by negative, it's negative. Okay, let's check the next one. Here, we have this multiplication table. I need to multiply negative 1.2 multiply negative 1.1 to get this box. It's the same like 12 multiply 11. 12 multiply 11. 12 multiply 11 equal 132. But put the point after two digits because it's 1.2 and 1.1. So it's 1.32. What about the sign? Negative multiplied by negative, it's positive. So I will keep it positive. The same here, if I need to get this box, 3 multiply 11, 3 multiply 11, 33. But it's not 11, actually, it's 1.1. So I will make it 3.3. What about the sign? One positive and one negative, then the result is negative. Okay. To get this box, 3 multiply something here, I will get 1.5. Okay. 3 multiply what equal 1.5? Think about 1.5. 1.5 actually is half of 3. So I multiply 3 by half, by 0.5. And what about the sign? I need to get negative, so they must be different sign. Here is positive, so this one must be negative. To get this box, I will multiply 1.2 multiply 0.5. You can make long multiplication, 1.2 multiply 0.5. You will get 5 multiplied 10, interact 1, 5 multiplied 1, 5, and 1, 6. And put the point after two digits. So it's 0.6. And the sign is positive because it's a negative. Negative means positive. Okay. Let's go for the next one. Here, he give me some informations like R equal 8.4, S equal 6.4, and T equal negative 7.4. To get, for example, just A equal R plus S plus T. R is 8.4 and S is 6.4 and T is negative 7.4. Okay, and of course we will make addition because he said plus. So let's do addition. 8.4 plus 6.4, this will equal what? 8.4 plus 6.4 equal 14.8. Positive negative, that means negative 7.4. 14.8 minus 7.4, you will get 7.4 as a final result. Okay, letter B. We need R minus S between bracket all minus T. So R minus S means 8.4 minus 6.4. All minus T, T is minus negative 7.4. So how can I answer this? Simply, whatever in brackets, do it first. So 8.4 minus 6.4, you will get 2. Here, negative, make it positive or plus. So it will be plus 7.4. 2 plus 7.4, you will get 9.4. This is the result. Let's go for letter C. Letter C, S minus R. Actually, S is 6.4 minus R minus 8.4, all multiply by T, negative 7.4. If you do subtraction here, it will be 2, and I will take the sign of the greater one, so it's negative 2. Multiply by negative 7.4. Okay? Make the multiplication, you will get 14.8. What about the sign? Negative negative means it's positive at the end. Okay? Negative, last one. After C, it's D. T divided by R minus S. Okay, T is what? T is negative 7.4 divided by, between bracket, R is 8.4 minus S, so it's a minus 6.4. So leave the division at the beginning because he puts the subtraction between brackets, so you have to do bracket first. So 8.4 minus 6.4, it's 2. It's 2. If you divide this number by 2, you will get 3.7. But what about the sign? Negative minus, negative and the positive, that means the result will be negative because they are two different signs. Okay. Last one, E, letter E, it's R plus S, that means 8.4 plus 6.4, all divided by T, that means negative 7.4. Okay, so let's answer. 8.4 plus 6.4, this is 14.8 divided by 7.4, and it's a negative actually, so 14.8 divided by 7.4, the answer is 2. And what about positive negative? So the result must be negative, so this is the answer. Okay, back again here. The last question, he said A plus B equals 0 and A multiply B equal negative 36. Okay, so here I know that A multiplied by B equal negative 36 and A plus B equals 0, right? So I need two numbers. If I add them together, I will get 0. Two numbers, if I add them together, I will get 0. It means it's two same numbers, okay? And if one of them is negative and one of them is positive, like 1 and the negative 1, or 2 and the negative 2, or 3 and the negative 3, 4 and the negative 4, 5 and negative 5, 6 and negative 6. All of them, if I add them together, I will get 0. Okay, so, but which one I should take, which pair I should take? According to this one, I need two numbers. If I multiply, I will get negative 36. Of course, it will be this one, 6 and negative 6. So A and B, one of them is 6 and the other one is negative 6. So which one is 6 and which one is negative 6? Actually, I don't know. It can be A 6 and B negative 6, or A negative 6 and B 6. So he asked me to find the value of A minus B. A minus B equals what? So you can say A is 6 and B is negative 6. So the result will be what? Yeah, make it addition. So the result will be 12. Okay, what if we say that A is negative 6 and B is 6? So negative 6 minus 6, we will get negative 12. So the answer for A minus B is 12 or negative 12. It can be 12 and it can be also negative 12. Okay, done with exercise number 1, and see you inshallah in exercise number 1, 2. Goodbye.